So yesterday we have created one Webby report, right? So we try to use the same Webby report, and also as I said, you can also make a copy of that Webby report and start using that one, because that web intelligence report has one universe which is perfectly working. So we use that as a reference. Okay. So if you want to work with the Webby report, we have to log on to BI Launchpad. That is web-based. That is web-based. Okay. If you see here, this will be the icon. Okay. Just double click on that, and this will be your URL always. Okay. Generally, this is the one what you have created yesterday, so we can use the same one, or go to documents, folders, select your folder, right? This is my web intelligence. So open the web intelligence report. Okay. So yesterday we have started creating this report. Okay. We have done some formatting part. Okay. Today what we do is we try to use what are the different options we have in this web intelligence reporting. Okay. So now go to design mode, and if you want to go to edit or any the web intelligence. Okay. Fine. Now see here, this is the panel, right? This is the web intelligence panel. What are the options we have here? File. Okay, if you click on file, what are the options you have? Create, open, save. Okay, and this is like print, find. Okay, and if you want to export this sheet, means report, to any format, you can click like this. If you click on this, you get an option. Okay, I want to export the complete report. In which form you want to have it? Either it can be Excel or CSV, text, or PDF. So if I say PDF now, say OK. See, a PDF form will be exported, and if you double click on this, you can see all the reports here. See, okay, means the report what we created, it can be exported to the file. Now this is the one. If you go to properties, under properties you have view. If you click on view, you have filter bars, these things. Document, if you click on document, see, these are some settings. Okay, these are few settings what we have it. Document is nothing but your report. Okay, refresh on open means once you open it, if you use this option, if you use this option, by default, whenever you open a report, by default the data will go, it will extract the data, current data, from your source. By default, there is no need to click on refresh button. If you don't have this option, it will open the data what you have used for the last you have executed. Suppose you have executed yesterday report, okay, and today you have loaded few more records. That few records what you have loaded today, it will be not updated directly. Again, what you have to do, open the report and click on refresh, then it will get the data imported. If you select this option, refresh on open, by default it will refresh the data whenever you are opening the report. Okay. Permanent regional formatting. Okay, it's like formatting, it's always use the same one. Okay, use query drill. If you have the drill down drill across functions, then we'll use that one. Okay, and here comments, you have it. So nothing much important over here. Okay, only thing is this you have to remember. Okay, and then default chart size is like, you can export it. And then comment display on the report comment, last comment which is displayed, or first comment. Okay, and then here report element. In report element, tables. Under tables means, suppose I'll create another report here. Say add report. I want to have a table. This is your column table. This is your row table. Okay, this is your cross table. What report table you want, you can drag and drop it. Select that one and place it over here. Right? And now you can drag and drop your fields here. Okay, like this you can do. That is your table. And suppose if it is a cross tab, okay, okay, so drag and drop your this one over here and your year wise. Okay, so I want year, I want year here, and then I need states in the columns, and then I need the total sales revenue. So this is your cross tab reports. Means look and feel of your report will be in the different format. Okay. So whichever table we want, either it's a normal row table, column table, or cross tab. Okay. And then okay. And then here you have cells. As I told you, this is blank cell, empty cell will be there, and you also have the predefined cells. Predefined cells will be there. Okay. And then you have section. Like if you want to have the multiple sections here, see, say I need the category. Okay, so the data is stored in the different section wise. If I drag and drop my sales revenue here, see, for each and every row it will be different. This is a different sections. It's not in the tabular form, right? It's in the section form. Okay, fine. And then these are like your comments. And then you have charts. As I told you, you have different charts here. We can use it. Okay, if you go to formatting, fonts, border, if you click on border, you have it. All the formatting things what you have done yesterday, right? The same things can be performed over here. If you want to go to edit option, then you have to go to data access. Here you have an edit option. Okay, edit option, refresh, purge. I'll tell you later. New variables are nothing but input parameters, and merge. Okay, if you want to merge two columns, then we use this option. And if you go to tools, like if you want to change the source of the data from one BEX query to another BEX query, one universe to another universe, then also that can be also be done by using this change source. Okay, and then if you go to analysis, you have filter option, input controls, ranks, groups, okay, breaks. They will explain value this one. Okay. See, now I'm getting this category, okay, and my sales revenue and my sales revenue. Fine. Now, if I want to filter the data, I'll get the year also. Okay, I'll get the year also. Now I want to filter the data for year. Okay, so click on filter, select the column, click on filter, right? This is the year filter, single filter we have. I want to see the data for only 2005. Select the year, click on OK. See, now I can see the data only for year. But how do you know whether you have a filter or not? If you go to this input controls, sorry, where is that? Okay, okay, good. Okay, fine. If you go to here, right? How do you know if it is there a filter here? Add a. If you click on this, filter will be highlighted if there is any filter. See, now I'll remove the filter. Apply. Okay. See, the filter is not highlighted now. If there is any filter, then the filter will be highlighted. Okay. And also, I want to see the filter here. Then you should say filter, use the filter bar. Means at the runtime also I want to use it. So click on this one. Say I want to filter based on year. Let's see. Which year I want to see? 2005 data. Here you can see. And also I need to have time period is product is also there, category wise. Which category I want to see the data for only 2 pocket sheets. I want to see the data for this. I want to see the data for all. So like this you can have the filter bar. That is known as a filter bar. Okay, fine. Now I'll remove this one. Okay, remove. Remove. Okay, fine. Now I want to see only the sales revenue, say top 5 sales revenue. Select the column ranking. Top what? 5. For what? Which one? Based on my sales revenue. Based on sales revenue also you want to have based on what yearly want, or you want to based on the categories you want. I can also have the data sales revenue with respect to what you want to see. In year wise you want to see, or you want to see the category wise. That is also possible. Okay. So now as I want only based on all data. See. Now I can see the top 5 sales revenue. Okay. If you don't want that, here remove ranking. Remove ranking. If you want to edit, click on edit. If you want to increase 10, then you can increase to 10. Or I want to see only bottom. Or I want to see both. See. In top 5 also I want, and bottom 5 also I want. Top 5 and bottom 5. That is also possible. That is about your ranking. Okay. If you want to remove the ranking, then okay. Remove ranking. Okay. Then input controls. Now I want to have the input control is nothing but again you should be able to see, means here in the left hand side. Now if you see here, there is nothing. This is my input control. This is my input control. Okay, here this is blank. This is blank. Okay, new. Okay, select the year. Next. Okay, year. Next, finish. See, I have it on the left hand side. Now I will be able to see the input control like that. And also I need one more based on my category. Say I want to have based on state. Next, state. Equal to, not equal to. These are the different things. Okay. Next, finish. See, state wise. You can also add it over here. New. I want to also have based on category also. See, category. I can use it this option or here or this option. Means what the advantage of this one is, this is the permanent filters. Okay, I have created this, closed it, right? If I again open it, okay. If you go to filter, right? By default, if you go to input controls, here you will have that option. You can see whichever you want. You can also use this one. Okay. Go to design. Okay. That is about the input controls. Okay. And then breaks. If you see here breaks, this is important. They will ask you in the interviews, they will ask you what are breaks. Okay. If I select the column, see here what is happening. I'm getting the data for pockets, right? Belts, Bermudas, footwear, like that I have it. Okay. I can see the data. I can see the data for different. I'll remove the year. Okay. Now I'll insert the say month wise. See, okay. For different months, I may have the different these things. Okay, categories. Now I want to see the data. Means one block for each category. So that is known as a break. See, if I click on select the column and click on break, so what is happening? See, two pocket heads for each month. What is my sales?